Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna see how to install Teamviewer on Linux. You have Ubuntu 20 version installed, the 64-bit. The regular terminal sudo apt installation won't work, so we're gonna use the software installer. First we're gonna download the deb or dev package. We're gonna save the file. Okay, and then we're going to go to Files, Downloads, right click on the dev package, open with other application, and we select software install. We tried the regular one, you can see here that it didn't work. So Teamviewer is actually installed. Okay, let's find it here. Yes, accept, ready to connect. Very good. So this video was not only for Teamviewer. You can use this method to install any dev package, any software you want on Ubuntu 20 version. Thank you all for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one.